Hey guys, OmniOmenZ here, and we are here to play Ratchet and Clank: A Rift Apart. Now, I've played Ratchet and Clank games in the past, but I have never played A Rift Apart. So, it seems like it'll be fun, seems like it'll be interesting. You know, one thing I liked about playing these games is all the fun toys you would come across. With that being said, let's get into the gameplay. Now, what do we have here? What the hell is that thing? It's like a giant centipede. I do like the graphics. They are pretty good. Alright, when do we get to play? When do we get to play? That's all I want to know. Ooh, the alien's getting ambushed. Ooh, what's gonna happen? Man, you got a creepy laugh. What is wrong with you? Why are you enjoying this so much? Oh, someone's about to get busted up. Damn. That alien ugly though.
Hey, it's okay. See?
Oh, this is the girl Ratchet. What the hell? I thought it was gonna be Ratchet.
Shh. Gotta go. Here, it'll help you get home. I designed it to be one size fits all, so it should. Thank you.
I missed her name. I wasn't paying attention. Ooh, here's Ratchet though. What's gonna happen?
Don't you think it's weird to throw a celebration for us? I mean, we haven't done anything heroic in years. What if everyone thinks we're washed
Damn,
up?
that's depressing.
What if we are washed up?
Luckily, we will not need to perform any heroics. Unless
Freaking
you count
Clank.
smiling and waving.
Right.
I love that he's just like a backpack.
Welcome to the Grand Marshals of our parade, Ratchet and Clank! I, Captain Copernicus Leslie Quark, will be your host.
I hate Captain Quark. He's so dumb. Oh, we get to move now. Ooh. We can jump. Look around.
Wow, haven't seen these guys in ages.
Okay. I don't really want to do that, so we're just gonna skip that. Ooh. Can I sprint?
Hey,
Yeah, I can sprint.
this is
Okay.
a pretty big turnout.
Okay, what's gonna happen? Okay. So now I got a Ooh, okay. Now let me beat Quark's ass real quick. Let me just beat him up.
Surprise gift from Clank.
Okay. This should be fun.
Must he tell the entire galaxy?
Wait, a gift? For
Yes, he
what?
must.
Oh, you will see. It is awaiting us at the front of the parade route.
Ooh, joy.
Better get moving then.
All right, let's go. Double jump. Ooh. Let's just bust all this up. It's like a little celebration. Okay, come on. Double jump. Nice. Oh, I would like to get to some actual gameplay, but you know, this is kind of fun too.
Now, our heroes will clear this festive barricade.
Do I have to? Okay, hold on. Oh, I can throw the wrench? I'm like Thor.
Clark invasion
Nice.
worldwide.
Ooh, weapon.
Some of those world-class
What does this do?
skills.
Okay, smash ammo crates to refill ammo.
Some ammo, of course.
How do we shoot? Okay. Aim. Fire! Whoo! Give me more ammo.
Hey, I think I found the
Okay.
What is this
This should be fun.
reenactment of?
Ratchet,
Come here. Come
I
here.
cannot believe this is part of the show.
Whoa,
Woo!
Real bullets.
Here we go.
These guys.
Bank have already been hit. No aiming necessary. Whoa, there we go. Yeah, I'm just gonna dodge all that. Give me more ammo. Alright, now what do we do? Let's go over here. Whew, okay, health collected, we
Someone
full
put a
again.
bounty on us?
Apparently. Oh, what the? That's kind of funny.
This
Ooh,
is not about your
we
gear.
grinding.
We must get to the front of the parade route.
Woo, nice. All right, let's go. Whew. Gotta time these jumps right. Come on. Yeah, these games are so much fun. I love this. This is just back to my childhood. Aim. Okay, what am I shooting at? Oh. I don't want to do that. I want to be on walls. That's not fair. Don't get hit, don't get hit. Yeah, there we go. Oh. Come on.
So much for smiling and waving.
What did I...
I would bet the blogs are behind this.
I don't know what I just did, but I guess I got like a little grapple hook kind of thing.
No way.
I can't aim and shoot during this.
Longer than we have.
Whoa, 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 what the hell? Oh, I thought I was dead for a second. Okay, let's go. On the... Whoa! Okay, that's nice. Alright, we back. Hopefully the controller stops messing up and I just got hit. Alright, come on guys. Woo! I leveled up. Level system, nice. Slow-mo. Come here, bro. Come on. What do you got? Come here. Just gonna straight up beat you. Alright, now we attacking their shit. Come on. There we go. Any weak points? Oh my. That made me shake. Gotta be careful not to get hit. Come on. Yeah, you don't like that, do ya? Haha. Call this a boss battle? I was tapping the button, I could have just held it. Woo! Woohoo! Okay, this grinding thing, the whole... Whoa! Whoa, what just happened there? Can you get your bearings, buddy? Yeah, how about no? Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Go away. Okay. Here we go. Whoa.
Perhaps we can put Quark's pyrotechnics to use.
What the heck? Oh! Hell yeah. Let's go. I thought I was gonna do a little cord grind, but no. Give me my gift back, man. I want to go to different dimensions, if you know at all possible. And now we're jumping. Well, that was anticlimactic.
I should have known Nefarious would try.
Oh my god, the way they scream, that's hilarious.
What the f?
Oh, okay. I was confused. Let's go. Okay, that's unnecessary. I was gonna, shoot those guys.
Dimensionator, Nefarious.
Put down the Dimensionator. Yeah, right. Today, you will see what losing feels like. Spoiler. He's it.
This guy's a jerk.
As soon as I figure out these stupid coordinates. Say goodbye.
You could not? Aw, did you ruin it, man? Come on. Well, I think he foiled your plans, so, that's something. Oh, no. I made things worse.
What just happened?
Things were made
We have a
worse.
slight problem.
The bridge is shot. There has to be another way across.
Yeah, a slight
The ribs are
problem.
reacting to the face quartz in your glove. Try pointing it at one of them.
Oh, joy.
This is
Nice.
definitely gonna come in handy.
All right. Whoa. Oh, that's funny. So I'm basically teleporting. Let's go. The Robo Mutts.
Paying these guys. Not nearly enough.
I was thinking the same thing. Why am I just firing now? Come here. Where are you aiming, man? Bad dog. Wish I could roll to dodge, but apparently it's just jumping, and bad dog. Here we go. Okay, I need more ammo. Like, I need some ammo, man. These ammo crates? Yes, they are. Hello. And some shatter bombs. And some money. Whoa.
Worse than I had imagined.
Oh, can I break these? Nope. Let's just go. Is that like a giant dinosaur? It looked like a giant dinosaur.
Charts from up.
Okay. Whoa, what? These are not friendly. Okay, let's... And they are not fun in groups. Okay, I gotta watch that. Would you stop showing up? Come on. Hey, give me that money. Give me all that money. I want the money. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's just skip to the next part. Which is right here. Oh my god, it's Cthulhu.
What the?
These goons are useless. This is what I get for giving my assistant paid paternity.
Quickly. We cannot let Nefarious overuse the dimension.
Come here, buddy.
We must
Let me just keep shooting you. Just a little bit of... Whoa! That was close. Would you stay still? Just take the damage. Whoa, that's not good. Okay, so that's basically telling me what my dodge is. Whoa. Okay, come on. I don't like that at all.
Toads are so
Annoying? Haha. 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 I love that. Whoop, there we go. Alright. Back to you, buddy.
Oh dear, his defenses are weakening.
Yeah, sure about that? Because it looks like they're strengthening. Nope. Whoop. And this controller is still messing up. I love this so much. Alright. Come here. Come here. Come here. I'm just going to be right here. Look, it's not hitting me. There we go. Ooh, ammo. Thank you. Well, load up again. Oh, my weapon did. Come here. Yeah, take that damage. Take that damage. Take that damage. Ooh, I love this. I do not love that. Anyway. It's not like it. Okay, that's lovely. Screw you. Don't be dancing like you winning. I still have plenty of health. Bring it. Yeah, I'm just gonna sit here. Gonna light you up. Okay. I'm just gonna step back. There we go. Easy.
You think a crushing defeat is all it takes to stop me?
I mean, yes.
Well, think again.
I was about to say the same thing.
Dimension where I always win, so you can finally know how it feels.
Good luck with that. Okay, we're getting forced to follow him now. I'm not a fan of that. Alright, here we go. Ooh, that's not good. Whee! Oh, this is gonna be... Whoa, nice. Oh, this is fun, actually. This is actually... What the hell?
Well, it is certainly not.
Can we control these? I don't think we can control these. But it's fun to look at. Where indeed? Okay, I don't think... Okay, here we go.
How many arms you got?
I knew it was Cthulhu.
We've been boarded! Get off me, ship! I'll create
Okay. Oh, holy crap. I did not expect that. Here we go. Oh, right in your smug face. Good job, buddy. Oh, where's your little ship at?
What is this? What's with all the neon?
This is the part where you lose.
I mean, one can only hope.
The dimension ate her.
Ooh, that's not good. Damn! That was a giant purple fart. Alright, well, I think that's a good place to stop.
Someone around here has seen him.
Oh, his mouse moves while it talks. I don't remember it doing that in the original games. Then again, I didn't really pay much attention, so who knows. Anyway, as I was saying, it's a good place to stop. And we will continue next time with more gameplay, because I'm already really enjoying this. But hey, we've got to stop sometime and somewhere. This looks like a good stopping point, like after the prologue. Again, though, that being said, I'll see you all next time.